Hi, this is Erica with WTI. Are you looking for a natural hand soap? Then I highly recommend the foaming hand soap refill from Attitude. There are a number of reasons why I love this hand soap. I love that it's bulk packaging, so I can refill my own hand soap dispenser up to 4 times. And it's also entirely recyclable once the packaging is empty. This is a really nice, natural, biodegradable hand soap. It's great for sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic. I get sensitive skin, especially in the wintertime. My hands get very dry and cracked. So I find that this hand soap has been really great for keeping my skin moisturized. It also has a really nice light orange scent to it. It's not too strong and overpowering. It smells really nice and fresh. This hand soap is also vegan and cruelty-free, so I feel really good about using it in my home. If you're looking for a nice hand soap that smells great, natural, hypoallergenic, and is going to help reduce single-use plastics, then you're going to want to try the Attitude Foaming Hand Soap Refill, and that's my point of view.